Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create video shader transitions in CapCut. So first you can just add the clips that you want to edit, and here keep the first clip on the main track and set the rest of them as overlay. So put it on the overlay like this. Repeat the steps for all of the videos, the rest of the video from the second one until the last. So here so here you need to position the overlay like this on the timeline, and after that click on the first overlay and add two keyframes like this, one at the start and the other one is when the next video starts. So I'm going to go here like this and repeat the same steps for all of the videos. So after you add all of the keyframes on the videos, here on the first keyframe on each of each overlay videos, you need to drag the videos to the top like this. Repeat the same steps for all of the overlay video. After you finish, it will go like this, but you need to make some changes before. Okay, here you need to export it, and after that you can add the motion blur effect. So let's wait until it finishes and open it in a new project. Click on done and start a new project with the videos that you just saved. Click on add. Now you can click on the video, swipe until you find motion blur, this one, and set the blur to 100 and the blend to around 55. Click on the check icon and wait until it applies to the clips. Okay, so after the motion blur is applied, the result for the video shader transition will go like this. So you can just make it faster, you can adjust the speed of the shader to your liking. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.